right, today we're gonna do an oil change on a Mini Cooper, 2009 Mini Cooper S with turbo. I never done an oil change on the Mini. I've done it on other vehicles, but based on what I researched and what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your oil filter, and it should come with a gasket to change out. Brake cleaner just to clean out. There should be another washer or something that we need to clean out, and any other parts that we kind of pull off. We're going to be using an Allen wrench. I believe it's a 8mm Allen wrench. We have to remove the windshield washer reservoir to move it out of the way so that we can get to the filter housing. We're going to use a pig set. I just got some pig sets. I'm shocked I didn't have any, but let's see how they help out. I get a lot of stuff from Home Depot. One, because I like the lifetime warranty. I've actually used this stuff. We're probably gonna make a video on some of the warranty and how they actually do work when you follow the right procedure. Deep socket 27mm. We're doing all synthetic. We're doing a 5W30. We're in Texas and it's not that cold, and the vehicle has probably like 80,000 miles or 80 to 90,000 miles. So there is also a high mileage version, which is a little bit more expensive. But here's the thing I found very interesting. I always thought AutoZone and your car parts stores will have the best deal on oil. But while I was at Home Depot, I found this at, I believe AutoZone had this one at 40, something around 40. And at Home Depot, we found it for around 22 or 25. We'll look at the receipts, and it's remarkable how much cheaper this is at Home Depot, which doesn't carry a lot of volume when it comes to car parts stuff. Is that just a special price, or is that a continuation of, I mean, that's their set prices from now on, but if that is the case, I'm going to be buying a lot of this stuff from Home Depot. We're going to also need an extension for the reservoir for the steep socket to get deeper in there. We're also going to use Husky floor jack. But here you go. This is for the Mini Cooper 2009 S version, and I think it ranges from different years, this same type of setup, or what you're going to need. Let's see what happens. All right, we went with this setup. We jacked up here at some of the jack points. I believe there's one there and there. All right, we got everything ready. A lot of people recommend opening up the oil so that you can get some of that pressure out when you start draining out from the bottom. The oil filter should be right, where are you? Right here. You can see it right there. You can see the bolt we're gonna pull out real easy right here. And then we'll let it drain. While we're draining it, I'll work on that reservoir as well. All right, we're gonna start removing coolant reservoir, try to get into the housing for the oil filter there. All right, this is where we're gonna use our 90-degree pick to pull this part up. Now, well, I had everything right, but I was missing an adapter. So with the magic of video, bam, real quick. We're all set. Shouldn't be that tight. Now, let me get my gloves on. Let me pull this off. And there we go. Oh shit. Yeah, I did get a lot of oil out. Dripped out there. All right, now I gotta clean inside. Yeah, that's really interesting. I don't know if you guys have done this before and have been able to get that oil, the oil cap housing with the filter. The oil filter housing. How do you get it without a lot of oil spilling out? I'm sure someone's gonna say, hey, you gotta put a damn rag underneath first. All right, makes sense. The more we know, huh? There you go. Put a little bit of oil on here. Good fit. It kind of snaps in there. Yeah, it has a little, it grabs a little bit in there, snaps in. All right, let me get this back in there. All right, let's go down. We'll hand tighten it. Give it a little bit of a turn here. There you go, tight. Coolant housing goes back down. It's got these tabs. Lift up the tabs and just snap it in. Got two. This here. All right, we're good. We're back to normal here. Let's go underneath. Now we're gonna take this part, we're gonna clean it up a little bit. There it goes. There's the washer. Clean up here a little bit. Okay, we're doing 5W30. I'm gonna go up to 4.5 on here. So we have full 5 quarts, so we're gonna put another quart in. With the turbo, we wanna give it a little bit more because it burns a lot more. We'll do another quart. up. All right, start her up, be right back. Alright guys, let me give her a drive around the block, see how she runs. I'll check the oil again and we should be done. But I'll check it out. Thanks for watching.
If you want to watch more from Admired, be sure to like and click the subscribe button. See you in the next one.